Hurricane Irma has indeed made landfall and is currently wreaking havoc on the Caribbean islands. The initial reports are devastating. We have established a live feed coming from the island of Saint Sabato, where our very own correspondent Jose Cruz is standing by with the live report. Jose, can you hear me?
Yes, Larry, I can hear you. It's crazy here. The wind is very, very, very strong, and the rain is flooding everywhere. Schools, buildings are flooded, and cars, and the whole capital city has been demolished. It's crazy. I must get out of here. I got to get out. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a tree. Look out. Ah!
Jose, can you still hear me? Are you there? It appears we have just lost connection with our correspondent, but we're going to try to reestablish that connection. Hopefully he's okay. In the meantime, all residents of Florida, you must evacuate immediately. For the love of God, you must evacuate. Hey, Swan. This hurricane's looking kind of serious, man.
What are you talking about?
I don't know, man. Don't you think we should evacuate?
Evacuate? It's gorgeous, man. What are you talking about?
I don't know, man. Maybe we should at least get some water.
Water? What do we need water for? We got a pool full of water. In fact, I'm gonna go for a swim in it.
We're gonna get out of here! We're gonna get out of here! How are we gonna get out of here? Oh, God! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, God! Ow! Woo! How was that, Nico? That was crazy.
That was freaking neat.
It's still going! Hey, make sure you subscribe to our channels.
Hey!
Woo! We did all of that for you.
Yeah.
Stay safe.